Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Asyraf. Okay, with us today, Mr. Shahrani, Mr. Din, Mr. Amirul, and Mr. Fadhli. Okay,
Hi.
Mr. Shahrani, what will we discuss today?
Waalaikumsalam, Mr. Asyraf. Okay, so today we'll be explaining about one-stop center and step to submit drawing to the local authority, which is in our case is Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam, MBSA.
So you mentioned one-stop center, right? Mr. Din, can you explain more about it?
Okay, so hi everyone. The One Stop Center OSC was launched by the High Honourable Prime Minister on 30 April 2007. The main goal and objective was to improve the process and procedure in considering development application. The OSC system has also given a choice for applicant to submit development proposal concurrently. The time frame for the concurrent application is 4 months compared with the previous practice of consecutive submission which took 1 to 2 years for processing. So for function, Mr. Fad, can you explain to us?
It will be my pleasure, Mr. Nasruddin. Okay, the function of one-stop center MBSA are as follow. The first one is to receive the development proposal. The second one to distribute complete development proposal to the department for processing and to technical department agency for comments. And lastly, to monitor the submission of endorsement paper from processing department within the time frame given.
So that's it about one-stop center. Okay, let's we talk about highlight of the video to submit the drawing to MBSA. Mr. Amirul, can you explain briefly about it?
Absolutely. The steps are not that complicated since most of it is handled by the one-stop center, but it is still a long journey nonetheless. So, the steps are as shown in the screen right now. Okay, the step of application development proposal. First one, applicant should submit application to Secretariat of One-Stop Center. Then OSC Secretariat distribute application to relevant departments. Then processing land development application section 124A NLC by the Land Office. Processing of plan permission application by the Department of Town Planning Local Authority. Processing of building plan application by the Department of Town Planning Local Authority. Processing the earthquake plan and road drainage plan application by the Department of Engineering Local Authority. Comments by the technical department agencies. Complied and coordinates recommendation papers, one-stop center committee meetings, then preparation of notification of planning approval to land administrator. And next one is to prepare recommendation paper to the State Executive Council EXCO. The land administrator then informs the applicants of the decision on the land development application. And the second last is to prepare the decision paper for acknowledgement to the full council. Last but not least is to inform the approval to the applicant.
Step 1. Applicant submits application to Secretariat to One-Stop Center. The One-Stop Center OSC Secretariat shall check and examine all documents submitted based on the checklist prepared. The checklist is as follows: application for planning permission, application for building plan approval, and lastly application for earthwork plan and application for road and drainage. The OSC Secretariat shall register the application, receive the receipt of processing fee, key in data for electronic submission if applicable, and issue letter receipt application to the applicant. Step 2. OSC Secretariat distribute application to relevant departments. The OSC Secretariat shall distribute the application with all accompanying documents to the relevant departments for processing. For land development application, technical departments agency referred to area. The first one, State, Town and Country Planning Department. Second one, Department of Valuation and Property. Technical department agency referred to application of planning permissions are as below: State, Town and Country Planning Department, State Land and Mine Department, Office, Public Work Department, and Department of Drainage and Irrigation. For submission for Building Part, the technical department agency that shall be referred are as below: Department of Fire and Rescue Service, Water Supply Corporation, and Department of Sewerage Service. For earthwork plan, the technical department refer to are as below: Public Work Department, Land Office, Department of Drainage and Irrigation. And for road and drainage plan, the technical department agency referred to are as below: Public Work Department, Department of Drainage and Irrigation, and
Step 3. Processing Land Development Application. Sections 1 to 4A by the Land Office. For continuous application for conversion and subdivision under Section 1 to 4A, the processing and procedure shall be as follows. Receive application for OSC Secretariat. Receive payment or proof of payment. Eliminate from 7D. Free computation plan. Letter of concern from other land owner and power of attorney. Eliminate status for land. Register application in ownership document. Prepare land report. Make preliminary checking. Land administrator prepare comment to the director of town planning of the local authorities and make the copies to OSC Secretariat by fax, post, email or by hand. Comment by technical department agency. The relevant department and agency receive complete document from the One Stop Center Secretariat. Check the application. Prepare and submit comment to the relevant processing department according to the application. Comment on the land development, submit to the land office. Comment on planning permission, submit to the town planning department of the local authorities. Comment on building plan, submit to the building department of local authorities. Comment on earthwork plan and route and drainage plan, submit to the engineering department of local authorities. Submit CC of comment to the One Stop Center Secretariat. Step 4. Comply and coordinate recommendation paper. Compile and coordinate all the recommendation paper. Issue letter of calling of meeting attached with the meeting agenda to all members of OSC committee. Distribute recommendation paper.
Step 5. One Stop Center Committee Meeting. The OSC committee meeting shall undertake to consider and make decision on the application for: first, to planning permission; second, building plan; third, earthwork plans and road and drainage plan. Step 6. Preparation of notification of planning approval to land administrator. The OSC Secretariat shall prepare the necessary document to be submitted to the land administrator. First, approved document. Second, Form C1, Schedule 1 Develop Control. Third, letter of confirmation of approval. Step 7. Prepare the recommendation paper to the State Executive Council, EXCO. The land administrator shall prepare a recommendation paper to the State Director of Land and Mines to be tabled at the meeting of State Executive Council for decision. The State Director for Lands and Mines shall inform the state decision to the land administrator and make a copy of the decision to the One Stop Center Secretariat. Step 8. The land administrator inform the applicant of the decision on the land development application. Under Section 124A, the land administrator shall inform the applicant of the following: first, the subdivision that has been approved; second, for every subdivision, the category, the condition and express condition; third, the additional premium rate and quit rate for every subdivision, as well as other payment that need to be made; the period for the payment of additional premium, quit rate and others; and lastly, other condition of approval as imposed by the state authority.
Step 9 is to prepare decision paper for acknowledgement to the full council. The OSC Secretariat shall prepare decision paper of the One-Stop Centre Committee to be acknowledged at the full council meeting of the local authority. For step 10 is to inform the approval to the applicant. The One-Stop Centre Secretariat shall first collect the approved documents signed by the YDP or through empowerment to the Director of Planning, Director of Building and Director of Engineering. 2. Inform the applicant on the decision of the application enclosing the approved layout plan, building plan and other related plans. The total time frame for the processing of simultaneous application is suggested as 92 days, which is 3 months and 2 days. If the application falls within an area with the gazetted local plan, the normal time to process shall be 67 days, which is 2 months and 7 days. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.